happy to announce that the goodwill gesture of the People's Republic of China for committing to donate the 1.5 billion peso construction of the bridge. So there is another bridge coming. With that bridge, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bridges mulabang sa Davao River. So there will be 5 bridges. One bridge.
So this is one of the 4 major projects that our legacy projects that we will be finishing in Davao and its environs. So nakatapos na tayo, marami na tayong nabuksan na section dito, and this will be now another major part of this bypass road. So kasama ito sa buong bypass na ginagawa around the Davao City, at ito'y sinasabi, ang estimate natin na ang biyahe na dati halos 2 oras ay mababawasan, magiging mga 25 minutes, 20 minutes na lang. Kaya't malaking ginhawa, lalong-lalo na ay ngayon na magpapasko tayo, alam naman natin nangyayari sa traffic. Kaya ito ay magagamit, we will open the bridge on the 15th, December 15 gagawin na. Matatapos yung buong bypass by December 2027. So tuloy, tapos na lahat ito all the way. Kaya't ito ay nagsimula, na-approve ito noong July ng 2022. Nagsimula ito ng 2023, early 2023.
Late 2023.
I'm sorry, late 2023 kasi mga approval. At ngayon ay tapos na. Kaya't natulungan naman tayo ng ating mga Chinese na contractor dahil ang ganda ng technology nila, kaya't napakabilis at marunong talaga sila magpatayo ng magandang tulay, magandang infrastructure na mabilis at nasa tamang gastos, nasa tamang presyo. So this is one of the 4 major projects that our legacy projects that we will be finishing in Davao and its environs. So nakatapos na tayo, marami na tayong nabuksan na section dito, and this will be now another major part of this bypass road. So I'm congratulating the DPWH for their good attention to this matter, and lahat ng nagtrabaho rito, congratulations, at we're looking forward to December 15 kung kailan meron ng dadaan na traffic dito. Thank you.
Ano ang inyong reaksyon patungkol dito? Para sa iba pang mga katanungan o suhestyon, i-comment nyo lamang sa ating comment section.